Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The steps to take if you were injured in a maritime accident. A seafarer job is anything, but easy certain hazard can quickly turn into a maritime accident. Working aboard ships exposes you to dangers at sea. Many dock and offshore tasks are physically taxing. Moreover, some roles require long hours of toil. These jobs pose risks that can lead to injuries and even fatalities. On the bright side, there are laws covering your rights as a worker at sea. The Jones Act gives you protection should you suffer from an injury while on the job. Also, it is a must to coordinate with a maritime lawyer. They can take care of your legal claims and the compensation you deserve. What is a maritime accident? Maritime accidents or injuries are unforeseen events linked to the ship, navigation, operation, or handling. It can also include incidents and involve injury or casualty. These instances can be related to a ship's equipment construction or facilities. Accidents at sea are unwanted circumstances that can befall different vessels, from boats to oil rigs to cruise ships. Too often, injuries sustained on board result from negligence. The owner, crew, or captain can have lapses that affect their own or someone else's safety. Bad weather can also cause such incidents. For instance, swells or storms can lead to slippery surfaces. It puts you and others in dangers of tripping or falling. Regardless of whether you get hurt as a worker of strangers, you have rights that the compensating party should respect. Steps to follow in case of a maritime accident. In general, maritime jobs are high risk and extremely dangerous. In 2017, authorities report 11,000 occupational injuries related to maritime transportation. Today, it remains a top concern for workers and passengers at sea. If you meet with a maritime-related accident, there is a help available. This guide teaches you how to properly handle the situation. You can follow these steps to ensure that the maritime injury lawyer can win your case without hassle. First, get medical attention. Your health and well-being should always come first in any accident. If you sustain wounds, injuries, the first thing to do is seek medical help. For instance, you should get first aid immediately. You can then get admitted to hospital as soon as transportation is accessible. The U.S. Coast Guard can assist with emergency, such as a victim needing urgent care. Dialing 911 is another option if the victim is at the pier or docks. Ideally, you should consult with your own doctor. They oversee your health care and will know what medical action plan suits you. You should tell them in detail about the incident as well as your injuries. Every information you give plus the doctor's assessment will reflect on your medical record. These documents is vital in the later steps. And the next report the maritime accidents. Next, you need to notify your employer regarding the incident. According to maritime laws, a seafarer should report with 7 days of the occurrence. However, it is better to report the injury right away. Doing so can help you when filing insurance claim. If you are able to should be the one to inform your employer, a coworker may relay the report on your behalf. But it is more ideal if you do it yourself. Again, you should not delay this step and contact the boss directly. You can also send a copy of your medical records for their reference. The next is gather more information. Your employer and insurance provider will likely ask for more information about the incident. You need to prepare by securing evidence that backs your claims. For example, you or your co-workers can take some photos of the scene. If there are witnesses, you need to ask for their contact information. Other information you should have on hand includes the specific equipment, if any, that caused the accident. Additionally, you must keep copies of your invoices, bills, and other expenses due to the injury. You may also get asked to submit photos of your maritime injuries. As said, medical records during the time you had your injuries attended are equally important. A successful lawsuit for a maritime accident relies on proof that the event resulted in damages. You should also need to establish that the employer neglected your safety. Do not provide recorded settlement statements. In most cases, the insurance company or employer asks for signed statement from the victims. They may also call you in to sign some documents. However, it is best for you not to do this action until you speak with a lawyer. They can use your statement against you, preventing you from claiming the right compensation. Anytime you get involved in an accident, you should only discuss it with your lawyer. You must refrain from talking to other people about it. Also, you need to stop yourself from posting the details on social media. Even your employer might use your statement to avoid liability. Usually, anything you do or say after an incident can work against your favor once a trial happens. In this case, it is in your best interest to avoid signing insurance documents without legal consultation. Try not to agree to a settlement offer either. Talk to your lawyer is the next step. An attorney for maritime accidents cases can help you get your legal matters in order. These professionals can assist you with your claim. It is crucial, especially for workers at sea who meet with a grave injury that affects their living. A maritime lawyer has excellent knowledge of the laws governing injuries at sea. You can benefit from their specific experience involving similar cases. If your employer tries to deny responsibility, a competent lawyer can legally sanction them to pay if proven liable. You can get the maximum protection you deserve when you partner with an O'Brien law attorney. What are possible claims for maritime injuries? Your lawyer can help you file claims for compensation under various federal laws. These rulings defend the rights of a seafarer who sustains a vessel injury during work. Here are some of these laws you should know. The Jones Act. All seamen who get into an accident on board can seek no-fault benefits. This claims covers maintenance and cure for a maritime injuries. In addition, the victim can file a separate claim based on negligence. It entitles them to full compensation for the mishap. And then the next is the Longshore Act. The Longshore and Harbour Workers' Compensation Act protects employees not covered by the benefits of the Jones Act. Aside from no-fault and injury claims, the victim can also demand compensation from third party involved. The law of unseaworthiness. The maritime law allows individuals to file a claim against owners of unseaworthy vessels. Unlike the other two acts, this regulation does not rely on proof of negligence. Passengers getting injured on a vessel. Maritime laws apply when any accident happens in any navigable waters area designated by the federal government. If a passenger gets injured on a boat, it falls under the personal injury law of the specific state. I think that's all, guys, the information that I can share to you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you guys need information related to maritime topics, you are in the right channel, because in this channel we talk about it a lot. And then if you guys want us to talk about or discuss about information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment below in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. I think that's all, guys, the information that I can share to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye, guys. See you in another video.